Hey everyone, Corey here with Train Like a Girl. So you know you need to meal prep, right? But you just can't find the time to do it during the week. Over the next couple minutes, I'm going to show you how you can get all of your meal prep done for the week in 60 minutes or less. My name is Corey Blifford, and over the past 15 years, I have helped hundreds of clients literally drop thousands of pounds as a fitness coach. But as a busy mom myself, I understand the struggles that you face on a daily basis when it comes to reaching your goals. So I've made it my mission to help show all the busy moms out there the exact steps you need to take in order to make yourself a priority and finally reach those goals. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reach those goals and get that meal prep set for the week in 3 simple steps. Number 1, batch cook all your protein. Now, you may not want to do it for the whole week. I know some people feel a little weird about that, but I would say at least batch cook 3 days of protein for yourself and for your family. I've been doing this, well, I should say BJ and I have been doing this since before we were even married. We'll pick 1 to 2 days a week and we make a lot of protein during those days so that we can have them for the rest of the week. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick the protein, okay? We alternate between chicken and beef. Sometimes we throw some turkey in there, sometimes some pork, but the main 2 we use are chicken and beef. Then we get ready we're either going to use a crock pot, which is probably my favorite way to cook, especially with chicken. You set it and forget it. If y'all remember those infomercials. But literally, you put it in the crock pot. I can put it in before I have to go to work at the hospital. When I come home, it's ready and we eat for the night. The other way you can go about it is grilling. Okay, grills nowadays are huge. Put a bunch of protein, or, meat, hamburgers, chicken breasts, turkey breasts, pork loin, anything on, and grill it out for the week. Number 2, buy already pre-cut fruits and veggies. Now I know that could be pretty expensive in the long run, but if your main goal is to save time, get your meal prepped, not have to worry about cutting up the fruits and vegetables, and money really isn't an issue for you, that's one of the biggest things I teach all my clients that I work with. Buy the already cut protein, buy the already cut up veggies and fruits, and you're good to go. You put it in your fridge, you take out what you need, and you're ready. Last but not least, number 3, multitask. Okay, they say you can't multitask. I absolutely disagree with that, especially when it comes to us moms, right? So as you're cooking the protein, whether it be on the grill, on the stove, or even in the crock pot or Instapot, cut up those veggies. Do 2 things at once, okay? It may take you the full hour to do it, but you're done, at least for the next couple days. You don't need to worry about it. You put it in containers, you put it in the fridge, you're good to go. All right, so those are 3 simple things that you can do to get all of your meal prepping done in 60 minutes for the whole week. Now again, if you're not one that you want to keep, meal prep for the whole week because you don't like to have your protein in the fridge for that long, cook protein in the fridge for that long, do 3 days. 3 days I think is good. That's kind of like the middle for everyone. And then pick another day to get another hour in if you need, and do the next 3 days. All right, guys, I hope that helps. Again, my name is Corey Blifford with Train Like a Girl, and I'll see you next time.